Hello everyone. So we are group number 7 from division F of Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. The topic of our video is very interesting, that is Introduction to Raspberry Pi. Now let's talk about Raspberry Pi. Cornerstone of tinkering community, and despite their deliciously deceiving name, Raspberry Pi aren't for a tasty treat. They are for computing and programming. Raspberry Pi are tiny super chip computers with the largest being about the size. They don't look like any computer, but despite what it looks like, it has everything a normal looking computer has. Most popular computer on market run Windows or Mac operating system, but the Raspberry Pi runs on Linux as their desktop operating system. To be specific, its original version of Linux called a Raspbian, designed specifically for Raspberry Pi. There are several different versions of Raspberry Pi. Introducing Pi 0, Model A series, Model B series, GPIO pens, and Pi 4.
So what is actually a Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized computer that runs on Linux. It was developed in the United Kingdom with the purpose of promoting computer science education and providing an affordable computing solution. It features a Broadcom processor, random access memory, USB ports, HDMI outputs, and GPIO pins that can be used for interfacing with other hardware.
So now we'll see applications of Raspberry Pi. There are several benefits of using a Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi has a wide range of applications such as home automation, robotics, media centers, game consoles, and IoT devices. It can also be used to make desktop PC. Using Raspberry Pi, the micro SD card, and a power supply, a simple desktop can be made. Robot controller. There are many robot controller Raspberry Pi projects. There is a dedicated robotics package for Pi, duly powered with the device battery and used to communicate and control robots. For robots, Pi 0W can only be used. It's quite lighter than the Media B+ board of version 2 and 3 of Pi. And the low profile ensures it can be placed in an efficient position without having a concern about USB ports. Media usage. Many estimates suggest one of the main uses of Raspberry Pi is a COAA media center. Several COAA media centers built have been released as disk images. OSMC and OpenELEC are amongst the most popular ones. Game servers. Raspbian, the default OS of Pi, comes with a special version of Minecraft game pre-installed into it. But the applications of Raspberry Pi can be used as a game server as well. Moving towards getting started with Raspberry Pi.
Now you have all the information about the Raspberry Pi, its applications and all. Now, if you have all the information, but how to get started with it, how to work on it. So to work on it, you need some few basic components such as a power supply, a micro SD card, a Raspberry Pi board, of course, a keyboard, mouse, and a monitor. You can now download the Raspberry Pi operating system from the official website and burn it into your micro SD card using your computer. Now you can set up the hardware, and now once your hardware is set up, you can now start exploring the Raspberry Pi and make a beautiful Raspberry Pi projects.
Raspberry Pi projects. There are countless Raspberry Pi projects that you can build, ranging from simple to complex. Some popular projects include a media center, a retro game console, a home security system, a weather station, and a smart mirror. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination.
At last, let us now move towards the conclusion of the video. Raspberry Pi is a powerful and affordable computer that has opened up a world of possibilities for DIY enthusiasts, educators, and professionals. Its versatility and ease of use make it an ideal platform for exploring the world of programming, electronics, and IoT. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, Raspberry Pi has something to offer for everyone. That's all for this video about Raspberry Pi. Thank you so much. Do like, share, and subscribe our video.